Hello! Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo mga kadiday. At dahil sabay kaming nag-day off ngayon, so ayan, naisipan naming gumala dito sa JB, Malaysia. In King Crab in JB. Ayan. The crab. This is the deal. Ay, ang lalaki ng mga lobster. Ayan. Ito naman ay oyster. Ay, mas malaki itong lobster dito. Abalon. Uy, sosyalan. Abalon. Ayan yung mga friends namin. Hello, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hello. Hello guys, so it's already late at night. What time? Already 7 plus now. We're still in JB. And now waiting for our king crab. We're so excited for the king crab.
How much? 15 kg?
15 kg?
No, 15 XL.
So this is the Milo
Dinosaur.
dinosaurs. Yeah. So guys, we're having the ice lemon tea for $3, right? Ringgit. 3 ringgit. 4 ringgit. Hello guys.
Ate, the big one haven't come.
Huh?
The big one haven't come.
Oh, the big one haven't come. Little. So ayan, our king crab is here na mga kadiday. So we can eat na.
In your
Oh
hand.
my God.
Everyone. Don't touch your money, right?
It's big.
Yeah, I will keep my hand.
Oh my gulay. Hello.
Nang kam nunjuk na pula.
Very difficult to eat lang.
So we pick up the one.
Pick up.
Wala na isinid yung, I don't know, because of sa like,
Ayan. Ito na yung after. Ayan, ubos-ubos. So, we're done eating na mga kadiday. And we're going back to Singapore. Thank you for watching. Babu!